Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Saral Japani YouTube channel. This is a place where you can learn and know more about Japan and the Japanese language in a very simplistic manner. Today is the 61st lesson of this series in which we shall learn one more interrogative word which is doko. Doko desu ka means where is it? Friends, if you are yet to subscribe this YouTube channel, please do so that you receive all the notifications whenever new lessons and new videos are uploaded. The link to the YouTube channel is mentioned on the slide, youtube.com/at Saral Japani, that is SARALJAPANI. For the videos of all the previous 60 lessons posted so far, visit the playlists section of this YouTube channel and click on this playlist, Japanese Lessons for Beginners, and you will see all the previously posted 60 lessons. So let's begin today's lesson, lesson 61, where doko desu ka? Over the past 60 lessons, from time to time, we have learned about several interrogative words and the nuances surrounding the usage of each. So it's a good idea to watch the lessons of this playlist in a serial order to have a systematic understanding of Japanese grammar. Anyways, let's take a quick look at what we know so far about interrogative words. So this is the summary of the words that we have already encountered in this series so far. Nan and nani are used to ask what questions. Dore is for which, and the answers may begin with kore, sore, or are, meaning this, that, and that which is at a far away distance. And dono is used for the same purpose, but here it is used as an adjective. So here kono means this particular object or that particular object. So it basically specifies that object and hence it is used as an adjective. So here it is koreva, here it is just kono. Dare is used to ask who questions and the answer will be kare. One of the probable answers may be kare, which means he. Dareno means his, whose. Dareno or donatano means whose, and the answer will be kareno in a similar fashion, and he becomes his. Then we have dochira, which we have encountered this word dochirakara in connection with from which country you belong to, which country you belong to. So kochirakara, sochirakara, achirakara. So you can see the similarity in each of these answers. So kore, kono, kare, kochira, and similarly we have sore, sono, sochira, are, ano, achira. So today's word is doko. So dochira and doko both are used for where questions, while dochira is the more formal or polite version of doko, but dochira is used for several other purposes as well. So we have kept dochira away from today's lesson. We will discuss only doko, and in one of the previous lessons we have learned just a single application of dochira, and in the next lesson we will discuss dochira in more detail. So today we will just go with doko. Doko means where, and in the same fashion the answers to doko may be koko, which is here, soko is there, and asoko meaning over there. So where is it? Here, there, over there. Doko, koko, soko, asoko. So doko is used to ask or inquire about the location, place, or address of someone or something. Doko desu ka means where is it? While answering a doko based question, koko, soko, and asoko may be used. Those words which identifies the place or location of a person or a thing by signaling or indication such as doko, koko, soko, and asoko are called locative words. So this means when we reply with koko, soko, and asoko, we give some kind of hand movement or some kind of indication with our eyes, which emphasizes our answer to the doko question. So first one is koko, for a person or thing which is very near to the speaker but could be away from the listener. This is koko. So koko means here or this place. So you can see in this diagram, this is the speaker, this is the listener, and this object is near the speaker. So if he has to refer to this object, then he will say koko. The object is here. So this is the koko scenario. Then we have soko. So soko is used for a person or thing which is away from the speaker but close to the listener. So here this object is close to the listener. So here soko will be used to identify this object. And hence soko means there or that place. So the speaker will say soko means he is pointing to this object which is at a distance from him but it is near to the person whom he is speaking to. And asoko is when the object or the person is far away from both speaker and listener. So here the speaker will point to this object and say asoko means over there. So koko means here or this place, soko means there, that place, and asoko means over there. So asoko is when the person or the thing is at a far away distance from both the speaker and the listener. So now let's look at some conversation, very simple conversation involving doko, koko, soko, and asoko. So here, this is a conversation between Mr. Honda and Mr. Shimura, and Mr. Honda is asking about Mr. Tanaka. So Mr. Honda says, "Sumimasen, Tanaka-san wa ima doko desu ka?" So what does that mean? Sumimasen, Tanaka-san wa ima doko desu ka? Excuse me, where is Mr. Tanaka now? So now if you go back to the Japanese form, Sumimasen means excuse me. Tanaka-san, this is the kanji for Tanaka, which we have studied in one of the previous kanji lessons. Tanaka-san wa ima. Ima means now, at this moment. So at this moment or at this time, where is Mr. Tanaka or where is Tanaka-san? Doko desu ka is means where is. So you can just see the colors in both the Japanese and the English translation so that you will know which phrase or which word means which word. So sumimasen, Tanaka-san wa ima doko desu ka? Now Shimura-san, this question was asked to Shimura-san. So Shimura-san now replies, Tanaka-san wa jimushitsu desu. Jimushitsu, jimushitsu means office. Mr. Tanaka is in the office. Tanaka-san wa jimushitsu desu. Then Honda-san again asks, Jimushitsu wa nankai desu ka? So nankai desu ka, we have studied this in a previous lesson, which means which floor. Nankai means again nan is used for what type of questions that we have just summarized. So nankai desu ka means which floor. So jimushitsu, office is in which floor. Jimushitsu wa nankai desu ka? Office is on which floor? Shimura-san replies, Sankai desu. Sankai means third floor. It's third floor. So if you see the grammar here, Sankai desu means it's third floor. But the meaning is it's on the third floor or the office is on the third floor. So let's read it one more time. Honda-san, Sumimasen, Tanaka-san wa ima doko desu ka? Shimura-san, Tanaka-san wa jimushitsu desu. Jimushitsu wa nankai desu ka? Sankai desu. Now Honda-san again asks another question. Shokudo mo sankai desu ka? Mo is a particle which, if you remember, this is used to represent also. Also or as well. So shokudo means restaurant, or it's not a very formal restaurant, but the casual restaurants, or we can say the cafeteria. So shokudomo sankai desu ka means, is the cafeteria also on the third floor? Mo sankai desu. Shokudo mo sankai desu. Cafeteria also on the third floor. So is the cafeteria also on the third floor? Shimura-san says, Ie. Ie means no. Shokudo wa nikai desu. Shokudo wa nikai desu means shokudo is on the second floor, or cafeteria is on the second floor. It's on the second floor. Nikai, sankai, yonkai. So these are the numerals. So nikai means second floor. Honda-san says, Sumimasen desu ga, erebeta wa doko desu ka? So here you can see sumimasen is excuse me, we all know. Desu ga. So ga is a particle. So we are yet to study this particle in this series. We have not done ga so far till now. But for this particular conversation, just keep it in mind that this ga is used to join two sentences, and it gives similar meaning as but in English. But, but. So, sumimasen desu ga erebeta wa doko desu ka? Erebeta, here you can see the katakana form of erebeta, that means elevator or the lift. So, Honda-san is asking, excuse me, but where is the elevator? Erebeta wa doko desu ka? So this is again the same question. Where is it? Where is the elevator? But it is preceded with sumimasen desu ka. So sumimasen desu ka is nothing but excuse me, but where or which way is the elevator? Shimura-san replies asoko desu. Asoko means over there. So that means the elevator is away from both Shimura-san and Honda-san. The elevator is away from both Honda-san and Shimura-san. That's why asoko has been used here and not koko or soko. Asoko des, that is over there. The elevator is over there. Asoko des. So the entire sentence need not be said, just the phrase asoko des, that is over there. So if we repeat, shokudo mo sankai desu ka? Iie, shokudo wa nikai desu. Sumimasen desu ga, erebeta wa doko desu ka? Asoko desu. So now let's look at few more examples using doko desu ka. So we can ask questions in a similar fashion, where we first use the noun or the name of the place we want to ask, and it's followed by wa doko desu ka. Yubin kyoku wa doko desu ka means where is the post office. Ginko wa doko desu ka? Where is the bank? Byoin wa doko desu ka? Where is the hospital? Keisatsusho wa doko desu ka? Where is the police station? Eki wa doko desu ka? Where is the railway station? Fuko wa doko desu ka? Where is the airport? Bus tei wa doko desu ka? Where is the bus stop? So in the same way, we know some more words like gakko. Gakko means school. Daigaku means college or university. So we can ask gakko wa doko desu ka? Where is the school? Daigaku wa doko desu ka? Where is the college or the university? So in this way, you can ask where kind of questions using any of these words or more words which are basically of places. So one more, theater, gekijo. Gekijo wa doko desu ka? Asoko desu. So answer to all these questions may be given using koko, soko, asoko, or some other form which we have not yet studied. So for today's lesson, it's just koko, soko, asoko, that is here, there, and over there. So next is doko no. So here we add no particle with doko, as we have been doing earlier as well. Like we use no to make koko, kono, kore. If we add no to kore, it becomes kono. The similarly dare, dare no, donata, donata no, and so on. So here we have dokono. Dokono means, so doko means where, dokono means belongs to where or which place. So if you remember, if you can recall the particle no, the meaning of particle no, it indicates some kind of possession. That is, if we say my, then it will be watashi no. Watashi is I and watashi no is my. That means the object is mine, that it indicates possession, that I possess that thing. So similarly here, doko means where and dokono means belongs to where or which place. So it will be clear with this example. Honda-san says, Sono terebi wa doko no desu ka? Terebi means television. So it's a short form of television and that's why it is written in katakana. Sono terebi means that television, wa doko no desu ka means that television is from which place, or that television belongs to which place, or where is the TV from. That means the TV that you have purchased, it is from which country. Is it an imported TV? So that the meaning of this question is that. So sono terebi wa doko no desu ka means where is the TV from? That television belongs to which place? Shimura-san says kono terebi wa Kankoku no desu. Kono terebi, so here this is used as adjective. Kono terebi means this TV, this television is from South Korea. Kankoku means Korea or South Korea to be specific. Kono terebi wa Kankoku no desu. Kankoku no means from South Korea, it belongs to South Korea. Since this is a possession, so it belongs to South Korea. Kono terebi wa Kankoku no desu. This television is from South Korea. That means this television is manufactured in South Korea. This television is from South Korea. I have purchased this television from South Korea. I have purchased this television which is made in South Korea. Ikura desu ka? So ikura desu ka is again another question which asks about the price, and we have done a separate lesson for ikura desu ka as well. So ikura desu ka means Honda-san is now asking the price of this television, which is niman en desu, that is 20,000. Niman en desu is 20,000 yen. So we can ask similar questions using doko no desu ka. So you can put any of the things as we did for television. So you can put other objects here and add this same phrase wa doko no desu ka. For example, Pasokon. Pasokon is nothing but computer. So it is personal computer, is in short form it is written as Pasokon. Pasokon is the short form of personal computer. Pasokon, it is written in katakana because this is from foreign language. Pasokon wa doko no desu ka? Pasokon wa doko no desu ka? So you can write Nihon desu or Deutsche des, which is Germany, or any other country. Indo des from India. Similarly, kuruma means car. Kuruma wa doko no desu ka? Or tokei, which means watch or clock. Tokei wa doko no desu ka? And you can ask more questions based on the same line. So we started this chapter with doko and dochira. So dochira, as I said earlier, we had one lesson using dochira, but it was used at that time only for one specific application of that word. And in general, dochira is the formal or polite form of doko. And uh, so this is the same thing that I just said. We did learn about dochira, but from a different perspective. And that was when we ask, you are from which country? But there is more to it. In the next lesson, we shall dig deeper into the different uses of dochira, and we will compare dochira with doko in a detailed manner in the next lesson. So friends, that's all for today's lesson in which we studied about doko question. Hope you have understood the content, and we see you again in the next lesson, which is lesson 62. So till then, take good care of yourself and we will meet soon. Thanks for watching. Arigato gozaimasu.